Okay, well, I look like Rudolph because I was outside the other day and I didn't put sunscreen on. Do as I say, not as I do. Today, we're gonna do like a very extra no makeup because I don't seem to know how to do regular no makeup. So I'm gonna do like the full shebang, but a lot of these steps are, what am I looking for? A lot of these steps are optional. I know words. So if I'm doing a step and you're like, that's too much, you don't have to do that. So like this first step, which is priming. I don't normally prime under tinted moisturizers. I said this with my ColourPop video, but this Laura Mercier primer, this is the Pure Canvas Primer, the blurring one. I don't trust this under regular foundations. It has a synthetic wax in it, and that tends to like ball up under a lot of foundations. So instead of doing trial and error and figuring out what foundation this won't do that with, I just pair it with the tinted moisturizer. So I'm gonna put this on first, and not everywhere, just like where I have pores and texture. So right here on my cheeks, my nose, and I do my chin. And if I have kind of anything left over on my hands, I just shove it on my forehead. But those are the main areas. Then I'm just going to kind of tap it to smooth it in. Next, for the tinted moisturizer, I have the old packaging, but it's all the same. This is in Nude. I think when I rebuy this though, did I buy this one? No, the brand gave this to me. I think when I go and buy it for myself, I'm gonna get natural, because Nude's a little too yellow for me. So I'm just gonna throw this on. And I'm just putting it on one side because I want to show you how much coverage I can get from this versus the ColourPop one that I'll have linked down below in case you missed that video. I'm trying to do like half of my nose. And I'm using the exact same brush, just a clean one, but the exact same brush that I did with the ColourPop one. See, I just have so much coverage. I don't know what happened with that ColourPop one. I forgot a mirror again. For concealer, this is the Milk Flex Concealer in light medium. And I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. And anywhere else I could use a little extra help, like my nose, because she's pretty burnt. And then like a little spot concealing. I hated this concealer when I first got it because it didn't matter what I did, it just looked so dry, and I was just like, I don't understand what's happening, because like my friend Gabby loves this concealer, absolutely loves it, and I'm like, maybe it's just my skin, because I think she has more dry skin. I'm like, maybe it's just my skin, and that's why it's not working. And then I was like, you know what, just for the heck of it, because when I do this no makeup I don't powder at all. I was like, let's try it without powdering it, see what happens. And that's it. That's the key. That was the secret. Just don't powder it. And now I love this concealer. Alright, so that's that. Like I said, I'm not gonna powder. I'm oily, but like when I do this look, it's to like run errands. I'm not trying to like look good all day. You know what I mean? So, but if you're like, I have to powder it. Who cares? I'm not gonna powder. I never do. My brows, I'm just going to take Gimme Brow from Benefit, and I'm just going to scribble it in there. Just scribble it all around. And then brush them where they're supposed to go. Quick brow, easy. I have a lot of brows, so I don't have to like try and color in a brow or like make a brow or anything. I don't wear any eyeshadow with this look. If you're like, oh, absolutely not, I cannot do that, just take your bronzer and like make a crease shade or like do an all over one color, whatever. I just don't care. And then throughout the day, if I'm wearing this look like at work, since I get like I'll get like concealer or whatever like in the crease of my eye, and I'll like blink or something, and one of the girls at work, her name's Stella. Stella, if you're watching this, hi, I miss you, Stella. She'll always be like, you have stuff all the time. I'm like, I'm sorry. So I'm going to put a liner in my tight line. This is NARS, it's Last Frontier. I thought it was black when I first got it. It's not black. It's a really dark brown, which I think is better for this. So I'm going to put this just in my tight line, curl my lashes, and put on mascara. This is Monsieur Big Waterproof from Lancome, and then I'll be back. So that's that. Simple and easy. God, I love this mascara so much. Look at my lashes. And they'll stay curled up like that all day. Amazing. For the face, I'm going to use my trusty Chocolate Soleil. I love this bronzer. So I'm just gonna bronze up my face with this. For blush, this is Mood Exposure from Hourglass. I love this blush so much because it just gives me a little bit of color, but it's not like blush. I love nothing blushes. I'm just throwing that on, reckless abandon. Alright. Good. For highlight, this is the, oh, it's dirty. This is the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. This is just the regular, like, Living Luminizer shade. This is so pretty. I didn't think I was gonna like this because I was like, oh, is it cream? I don't know. It's weird, and I freaking love this thing. So I just put it on my finger and just kind of tap it. Dip, dip, dip. On my cheekbones. And I don't put this like in the C shape and down my nose and all of that because I don't want that for the, oh god, it's gorgeous. I don't want that for this look. I just really want to touch on these high points of the cheek. Do a little bit more. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And then for lip, this is the Glow Recipe Lip Pop Watermelon. I have pretty pigmented lips as it is, so this gives me something. I mean, right now it doesn't look like a lot, but like, just give it a second to kind of like warm up on the lips, and it becomes really pink, like a watermelon, as the name would suggest. And then the last thing I do is spray my face with the Farsali, I can't remember what this is called, Rose Gold Skin Mist. I sprayed it directly on my nose. Now I just inhaled it. So this is it. This is the whole, god, the back of my hair is just a disaster. This is the whole look. It, like, I can just throw this on 10-15 minutes maybe, not even, and be done and be on my merry way. So I just love that the skin looks like skin. It's just very healthy and glowy. The eyes aren't too heavy. The lip isn't too heavy. It's all just balanced together in this perfect harmony of, yeah, maybe she does look like that all the time. Y'all know I don't. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of quick-ish video. And that's all I got. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!